Lil B the Bass God has 1.2 million followers on Twitter. The only problem? He also follows 1.2 million people. But why is that a problem? Okay, maybe his personal feed is unpleasant because it's essentially random and uncurated. However, if his goal is awareness for his own content, brand, and personality, surely he's succeeding, right? Today I want to talk about a common practice on social media that I believe is a waste of time, and that's follow for follow. For those of you who may not be familiar with it, follow for follow is when you follow someone on social media with the expectation that they will follow you back. It's often used as a way to quickly gain followers and grow your audience, but here's the thing. While follow for follow may seem like a quick and easy way to get more followers, it doesn't actually lead to genuine engagement or real fans and followers. First of all, following someone just because they followed you doesn't necessarily mean that you have anything in common or any actual interest in their content. This can lead to a low level of engagement on your posts as the people following you are just not actually interested in what you have to say. Additionally, follow for follow can lead to an inflated number of followers that doesn't accurately reflect the size or engagement of your audience. This can be misleading. When you have a large number of followers who aren't actually interested in your content, it'll make it harder for your actual real fans to stand out and engage with you. Let's show how this works in reality. Let's look at the numbers for Lil B. As of January 2023, he has tweeted a staggering 264,000 times. But what is the engagement like on all of this content with his millions of followers? 1 like per tweet and a few hundred views. That's less engagement than I get on Twitter, and these days I despise Twitter. Let's compare this with an artist like Phoebe Bridgers, who has less than half of the followers, but still gets thousands of likes on every single tweet. This type of deeper relationship with fans and followers is what you should be building towards. So what do you do instead? The answer is build community and add value. It's important to focus on creating high quality content that resonates with your target audience. This can be anything from informative articles to engaging videos to useful podcasts. To build this community, it's also important to interact with your audience and encourage them to share their thoughts and experiences. This can be as simple as responding to every comment and message, or you could create polls, create surveys. You want to get feedback and encourage people to actually engage with you. I just downloaded Mastodon to check out as an alternative to Twitter, now that Twitter is run by a silly little goose. And one of the first things I noticed was lots of people following me and then unfollowing me hours later. This is extra noticeable when I've just started my account, and so I started thinking about this timeless social media fake hack that has never worked and it never will work. So, in conclusion, in my opinion, follow for follow is a waste of time because it doesn't lead to genuine engagement or real fans. Instead, I think everyone should focus on creating high quality content and building a genuine connection with your audience, because this is going to lead to a more meaningful, long-lasting, fruitful engagement on social media. And if you're interested in collaborating with any of these new members of your awesome community, be sure to check out my video on how not to start a collaboration with another person. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tips and tricks for musicians and artists.